Unlock magazine quality sharp photos by mastering focus lock on your Nikon Z5 to nail off-center subjects every time. First, let's ensure your camera is set up for this technique. Navigate to the camera's menu, go to the setup menu, then scroll down to assign a phone button. Here, you'll want to select off phone. This dedicates the off phone button to controlling autofocus independent of your shutter button. If it's already set to AFO, you're good to go. Now, let's choose your autofocus area mode for focus lock. Dynamic area AF or auto area AF are excellent choices. Dynamic area AF allows you to select a primary focus point, while auto area AF lets the camera intelligently pick the subject within the selected frame. Imagine you want to photograph this beautiful flower, but it's not directly in the center of your frame. Frame your shot with the flower positioned where you want it in the final image. Don't press the shutter button halfway yet. With the flower in your desired position, press and hold the off phone button on the back of your camera. You'll hear and see the autofocus confirm. Locking onto the flower, you can see the focus point illuminated on the screen. Now, while still holding down the AFON button, recompose your shot. Move the camera so the flower is exactly where you envisioned it. Since the focus is locked, it will remain sharp on the flower, no matter how you adjust the composition. Once you're happy with your recomposed shot, then you can gently press the shutter button all the way to capture the image. This ensures your off-center subject remains perfectly in focus. Mastering focus lock is a game-changer for creative control, allowing you to dictate exactly where your focus lies. Experiment with it and elevate your photography.